Hi! Learn English with Yara. This is a pencil. In Creole, ça c'est un crayon. The pencil is in the box. In Creole, crayon en the boîte là. En means inside. In Creole, en means under. En. The pencil is on the book. In Creole, crayon sous livre là. On means on top. In Creole, on means aller. On. The pencil is under the book. In Creole, crayon en bas livre là. Under means below. In Creole, under means en bas. Under. Where is the pencil? M'attendre réponse dans commentaire. See you next class. Bye.